Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Deezer login issues, account and playback errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening a website or another app to confirm it loads correctly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one network is causing the Deezer error. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh your network connection. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can block login or playback. Check if Deezer is down by searching Deezer status in your browser and verifying any outage reports. Make sure you are using the correct login method, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook, that matches your account. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and reset it from the official Deezer email link. Confirm you are entering your email address without extra spaces and with the correct spelling. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it because it can trigger security blocks or streaming restrictions. On mobile, update the Deezer app from the App Store or Google Play to fix known bugs. On desktop, refresh your browser tab or restart the Deezer desktop app to reload your session. Clear the Deezer app cache in your device settings to remove corrupted temporary files. If clearing cache is not enough, uninstall Deezer and reinstall it to reset the app completely. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic because incorrect time can break authentication. Log out of Deezer on all devices from account settings to remove stuck sessions. Log back in carefully and wait a few seconds after login for your library to sync. If playback fails, try downloading a different song or playing a playlist to test if the issue is track specific. Turn off offline mode if it is enabled, because it can prevent streaming when downloads are missing. Check your audio output by increasing volume, disconnecting Bluetooth, and selecting the correct speaker or headphones. Disable battery saver or power saving mode because it can limit background audio and network access. Allow Deezer permissions for network and storage in your phone settings to avoid playback and download errors. If you see account warnings, verify your email and Deezer account settings to restore full access. If you recently changed your plan, sign out and sign in again to refresh your subscription status. For family or student plans, confirm the plan is active and that your account meets the eligibility requirements. On browsers, clear cookies for Deezer and disable ad blockers that can interfere with login pages and playback. Try a different browser or use incognito mode to rule out extension or cache conflicts. If the problem continues, contact Deezer support through the help section and include screenshots and error codes. As a final test, try logging in on another device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific or account-related. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.